Hi everyone, it's Melissa from The Neat Life. As you may have known, we recently came out with a few new products this week. Today I wanted to go over two of the new sprays, and I'm going to quickly show you how I use them and why I've been loving them. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about our Neroli Hair Primer. This is one of the two sprays that we've launched this week. Don't mind this small bottle. It's just a travel size from the lab that I'm still getting through. It typically comes in a black bottle, this size, just like the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you're supposed to apply it. You're going to want to apply this on wet towel dried hair. So I got out of the shower about 15 minutes ago. My hair is not dripping wet or anything. That's sort of what you want to work with. So you're going to want to shake it up and apply about 5 or 6 sprays to your entire hair, working from the roots to your tips of your hair. You don't have to be scared about getting this on your roots. It's a super lightweight hydrator. It's actually made with water-based hydrators, so it's not going to weigh your hair down or anything. So doing the same on this other side of your hair, sort of working it in all over. And when you're done, I sort of like to scrunch it in, make sure I got every piece of my hair from the roots to the tips. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the leave-in conditioner next. So next up is the leave-in conditioner. This is the second product that we launched this week. We know you guys have been waiting so long for this. We're so happy it's here. It's absolutely amazing. It works amazing at detangling your hair, combating any sort of frizz, and just leaving your hair smooth and silky. So I'm going to show you how you're supposed to apply this. You're going to want to apply it right after the Neroli Hair Primer onto the middle and ends of your hair. I sort of like to spray a little bit more, so you're going to want to apply about 4 to 5 sprays on each side of your hair, depending on your hair texture. I have longer, thicker hair, so I'm applying a little bit more today. So what it does, again, is it seals the hair cuticle. It makes detangling super, super easy and smooth. It leaves your hair soft, silky, shiny, and absolutely no frizz. So you guys, I'm going to come back with my hair all dried, and I'm going to show you how it turns out. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is completely dry. I wanted to go over the results with you from using these two sprays earlier today. So as I mentioned before, I'm just going all natural today, sort of embracing my natural waves and my hair texture. So it's been such a nice break to take a break from heat and styling products, which I normally do on sort of a regular basis. I like to blow dry my hair, curl it, and that lasts me about 3 days. But with these two products, I have been stopping that, and I've just been embracing my natural waves. And these products are seriously amazing because they kill all sort of frizz. They really make your hair soft and strong and shiny, as you can see. I'm absolutely loving the results, and I have so much volume left in my roots, so you can see that the Neroli Hair Primer really does not weigh your hair down whatsoever. It's really incredible. It's actually made with water-based hydrators that really strengthen and penetrate the hair cuticle, that sleek down any sort of frizz, which is really amazing. Moving into this new development here, the water is so harsh and so hard on my hair. It was like really doing awful things. It was making my hair more frizzier and more damaged than it actually was. So what the Neroli Hair Primer does is it's made with apple cider vinegar along with many other good things. And that lowers down the pH levels and really, like I mentioned before, sleeks down the hair cuticle and kills any sort of frizz, which is really amazing. It leaves your hair super strong and shiny, as you can see. So this product is such a lifesaver. Moving on to the leave-in conditioner, this product is another amazing product. As you can see, my hair is super soft. It's actually very easy to brush through. There's no tangles whatsoever. So this leave-in conditioner really adds in that extra condition you may need. I have about thin to thick wavy straight hair. This product is amazing on me. It's very buildable, so it's would work on any sort of hair type. If you have thin to thick or coily curly hair, this product would work wonders for you. Because it's very buildable, so that's amazing. It's made with a lot of rice and oat proteins, which really strengthen your hair. So you're really going to see the results over and over again. It's really going to nourish your hair from the inside out. That's the most amazing things about these products, is that they're the longevity of them are really, you can see the results. So it's really, really amazing, you guys. I wanted to show you the last step in my hair care routine, and that's using a few drops of the Rose Hair Elixir. This is another staple in my hair care routine. So what I do is I just take about 1 or 2 drops in my hand, and I like to rub it together just to make sure it's evenly distributed, and I'm not applying too much because it is very lightweight, but a little bit goes a long way. So what I do is I just twirl this in my hair, sort of get every inch and corner, and yes, I just twirl it in my hair, make sure it's evenly distributed, and that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear your feedback on these 2 new sprays, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!